Hello guys, I just want to do another video on this engine. The little small 15-second clip has gotten a lot of attention, so I figure I'll share some info on the mystery motor and answer some questions, I hope. Show y'all some part numbers, casting dates. 9/13/62. Block number. Chevrolet used a 0 and a dash before part numbers. The 0 dash were mostly for experimental engines and parts. There's the intake manifold. It's interesting that this other side does not have the 0, but it has the dash. And it is different than the passenger, of course. Mainly to clear the steering shaft, the Z-bar, and oil canister. There's that water pump. It looks very familiar to some. It has a huge balancer. Here's the air cleaner. They were used on 63 Impala Z11s. The Z11s were a lightweight version of the Impalas used in NASCAR, and that's what the mystery motors were dropped in, and that's how they dominated 63. Here's a 396 valve cover gasket. There's that part number. Let's get one of these out. Let's try to lay it on top of here. That was a bit hard to hold the camera and pull the gasket out at the same time. So I just laid it over the mystery motor valve cover. That lines up, that doesn't, but that's not the only two. This one here is off, and so is this one. So 4 of them will not line up. The 2 lower and the top one center will line up, but the rest is different. That just proves it to you that the heads are different. Then a 396, 427, and so on. All right, let's try to start this thing up. It's been a while. Yes, sir. Just in time.